Welcome to Starboard Bow Reviews. Haven't did one in a while. ROCGORLD sent me this R7 tire inflator. It's a fast inflator up to 150 psi. So it hasn't been, like I said, haven't did a review in a while. So let's go ahead and check out this ROCGORLD LED. ROCGORLD fast inflating up to 150 psi tire inflator. ROCGORLD tire inflator R7. It's a 12-volt tire inflator up to 150 psi. And what we're going to do, so my car's been sitting here for a while. The tires are kind of low. These tires are 51 psi. So let's might as well do it. So you got this ROCGORLD here. Let's check it out. Like I said, having a tire inflator in your car is a lot better. You know how you pull into those gas stations all the time and throw quarters in, or they're not, the cable's not long, and whatever it is. This is always an important thing when you're traveling, especially boondocking. Have a car. I've had a couple of different jumpers, couple of different, tire inflators that come with the jumper. This is just basically a tire inflator. It's good to have also when you're blowing up tubes and tires and different types of water toys, bike tires, all those different things. So let's take this apart and let's check it out. All right, got the ROCGORLD R7 tire inflator. The user's guide. Box, little packaging comes cool. Oh, we got a little bag here. Nothing different than a lot of the other jumpers, I know that, but it's always good when a company really thinks about portability and something, something to carry all the different things that come with it. Your little tire inflator, the tire inflator itself, a bunch of different things. It's always good to have good packaging. Let's check it out. All right, there's your 12-volt cable. You plug it right into your 12-volt cigarette lighter or other 12-volt that you have in the car in order to run the actual pressure, the unit itself. So this thing's pretty cool, pretty long too. Let's say it's 8 feet, 7 feet. Different cable, here you go. And a variety of different tire pressure gauges. You have the basketball, the little water toys, you get the basketball pin, and then you have a little fuse here for the unit itself. Always when you lose power or it goes out for some reason, check the fuses, and we'll go into that, but those are the different things that come inside the gold itself. There you go. You have a little short one, which I think is pretty cool now. And then you have extension for the tire itself. There you go. Cool little unit. Let's get this thing ready. All right, guys, so let's go charge up these tires here. It's real simple. Got the male end right here, the female end right there for the charger itself. Okay, that's nice and tight. There you go. So what thing's good about having these two units right here is you can put this on the tire first and then screw this on right here. Very simple. Tire inflator, cable. Okay, let's check it out. Let's plug this thing in. Everybody, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. You get the 12 volt DC adapter, plugs right into your car lighter. Right, you got the female end here, or the male end. Boom. There you go. Plug, card, 12 volts, DC. Got your unit here. Let's turn this thing on. I don't know if you can see it, but it says 0 psi, so I'm gonna put this thing, press the plus symbol right here. You can barely read it. I'll try and see it, but you see it says 0 right there. I'm gonna press the plus symbol. It says 51 psi on my tires, but I'm gonna do 35, 36 right now, and let's see how that goes. I think that's on. There she goes. All right, there you go. Guys, that's one tire. I'm gonna do the same for the next 4 tires, so I'm gonna get these tires filled up and I'll get right back to you guys. Another thing cool about this thing is this light. Just like any other jumpers, a lot of them have the flashing light. That's off. Steady light. Flashlight. It's the SOS symbol. Did it. Da, da, da. Did it. There you go. Just turn it off. That one looks pretty low. Let's get that one done. FYI, guys, when you're filling these things up, in other words, these tires are 51 psi, so you should probably fill up between 41 and 45. So I'm setting these up at about 44. Actually, let's make sure. I'm setting them up at 44. 44 in the back, and I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, I got it set at 44. It's at, see, it says it's at 31 right now. And this is the actual unit itself. One of the things I like about it, these leg pads, rubberized leg pads. So when you put it down on the ground, it sits there. And I put them down on my tires when I was charging them up, and it sits there pretty good. This is what you get in the back of the thing. It just tells you the tire inflator. It's a 12 volt, maximum range 150 psi, and it's a model R7 from ROCGORLD. It's got the positive, the negative, and then the set. Now what you do is you plug the 12 volt cable into your lighter, you plug the other end into here, and then you go ahead and hit the plus sign to the amount of, the tire that you want. On my tires here, these are 51 psi tires, so I'm going to hit the plus sign until this LED says 44, and then I'm going to hit the power sign, and that's going to go ahead and charge up these tires. So best thing about this ROCGORLD, I've used it for tires. I blew up a couple of toys on it and had it running for a little bit. One of the great things that you'll see with this unit compared to one of the units, you'll see the dual units with the tire pressure gauge and the tire inflators, and those kind of devices that have dual tire inflator, jump card, those kind of things, is the speed it takes. This unit is fast when it comes to blowing up, especially the toys. I mean, it blows them right up, and you got to kind of actually watch it because it goes so fast. Not only that, it's easy to operate. Not is it only mobile, but it's easy to operate, very self-explanatory, and also it doesn't get hot. That's one of the things I found in a couple of the other units that I have reviewed. This unit doesn't get hot when it's especially when you're doing the tire inflating. So just one little quick note about that, and I wanted to make sure you had it before we move on. So there you go. There you go, ROCGORLD 150 psi tire inflator. Comes with the 12-volt adapter. You got the tire hose, the unit itself. It's got a light on it, the nice box, and then you got the nice carrying case. So thanks again for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Please hit that comment button or hit that bell so you can remind me when a new review or video comes up. And please don't forget to comment. Let me know what you think about the ROCGORLD. I'll put the description of everything down at the bottom of the video. So you order one of those things. I'm telling you guys, this is really worth it. I only do these videos for reviews. I don't sign up for them. I don't have any commission on any of these. I just tell the guys, send me the unit, I'll review it, and there you go.